Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure power and proximity are ready, charged AirPods, and an unlocked phone speed pairing. On iPhone, open the closed case next to the phone to trigger the pairing prompt. On Android, open Bluetooth settings and put the case in pairing mode by holding the Setup button. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on the phone so the device can see AirPods. This visibility is how the phone discovers the accessory and initiates a secure connection for audio and controls. You should now accept the device name shown on screen, tap to pair, and wait for the connecting animation. For older devices, you may type 0000 if a PIN is requested, but modern phones usually pair without one. Once connected, go into Bluetooth or AirPlay settings to assign left/right controls, enable automatic ear detection, and choose microphone preferences. These steps let you control playback, calls, and voice assistant behavior, so configure them now to avoid fumbling later when you need quick control during a call or workout. You finish by testing audio and microphone, play a video, and make a short call to confirm both ears and mic work. Then rename the AirPods in Bluetooth settings and check for firmware updates that can improve stability. If you run into issues, reset the AirPods. Put them in the case, hold the Setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, and repair from scratch. That reset clears pairing errors and usually fixes connectivity problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.